Hello everyone and welcome to another cool idea. So in this video we will make these beautiful looking umbrellas. So this one does not open and closes, but it still looks good. This one opens and closes. You can also make a longer one like this. In my previous umbrella video, many people were complaining that the umbrella was difficult to make, so I thought let's make an easier version. We will use 4 paper pieces for one umbrella. I am using a 12 cm red paper and 10 cm white paper for the umbrella, a random paper piece for the stick, and a 1 cm white strip for the top portion. You can make bigger or smaller version of the umbrella but adjust the dimensions accordingly. So let's begin. Fold the paper from its diagonal. Repeat for the other side. Now fold the paper in half and again repeat for the other side. Now we will need mountain creases on the sides and valley creases on the diagonals. Now fold it like this to reveal this square shape. Now we will do 4 folds. So this is the first one. Fold it like this, open the fold, reverse the crease, and press it to get this triangular shape. Similarly repeat for the other sides. Now fold this portion to the outside and repeat for all sides. Now open it, pick the fold we have done earlier and fold it to the inside. Again repeat for all 4 sides. Now we will make a white colored piece in a similar way. Cut the top portions of both pieces. This cut should be a bit smaller for the red piece and a bit larger for the white piece. Now mark 2 lines like this and cut through these lines. Now open the fold. You will see a line joining the cuts. Now fold this line as I am doing for the entire circle. You will see this arrow-like structure will pop upwards. Now reverse the folds joining the arrows like this. Now hold any outward fold from the inside and start putting the outside folds to the inside like this. This should happen easily. I am holding these folds from the inside. As you can see, these folds are done, so we can leave these folds and focus on remaining folds. So this is ready. If you are still struggling, then just watch again. It may look difficult, but it is not actually. Put the white portion in the red. Now open these folds and repeat as I am doing. And our umbrella is ready. Now let's make the stick. Start rolling the paper like this. Cut the extra paper and apply glue. Now insert the stick in the umbrella. Apply glue on the top portion and paste a small strip on the top portion. Gently press the lower portion and fold it like this. Cut the extra portion and our umbrella is ready. As you can see, it can open and close. Now let's make the version which does not open but still looks pretty good. So make all the parts. In this case, apply glue on the entire stick and paste the umbrella over it. Paste the top portion. Bend the stick and our second umbrella is also ready. Do tell me in the comments which color do you like the most and where are you going to use these. If you want to make a full-fledged umbrella with a rugged opening and closing mechanism, then you should try this one. So go through the link in the description or in the I button. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video then give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and subscribe for more cool ideas. Thanks for watching.